Chocolate production begins with the harvesting of cocoa pods from trees. It is grown in rainforests in countries on the equator, such as Ghana, Ivory Coast, Brazil, and Indonesia. The pods contain beans which are fermented and dried in the sun for a week or more. At this stage, the beans taste bitter and nothing like chocolate. Once dried, the beans are transported in large sacks and sold to chocolate producers all over the world. In the chocolate factory, before production begins, a sample of beans is tested by splitting them so the inside is revealed. In a good bean, the insides are clearly separated. This shows that the fermentation has worked and has begun to remove the bean's natural bitterness. The beans are washed, then roasted. Roasting is the most important part of the process. It is critical that the beans are roasted at the correct temperature, otherwise the taste is adversely affected. As the beans are roasted, the amino acids and sugars found in the beans begin to react together to form the familiar chocolate flavor. The roasted beans are then shelled, and the center, or nib, is what is left. The nibs need to go through a grinder to make them into a liquid. At this stage, extra cocoa butter is added to help make the final chocolate texture as smooth as possible. The next stage is when the chocolate liquid, milk, and sugar, which are required to make chocolate, are mixed together. The resulting chocolate paste is then passed through rollers and turned into a powder. The chocolate powder is mixed with milk powder and heated. This is called conching and can last up to a week. The acidity helps turn the mixture into a liquid chocolate syrup. This is then tempered. Tempering is when the chocolate is heated, cooled, and gradually heated again to a warm temperature. Tempering is the secret of quality chocolate. The change of temperature enables the fats to crystallize, which results in large bars of chocolate. Industrial chocolate producers will then sell these slabs to chocolate specialists. The chocolate bars are melted again by tempering and then can be molded to make individual chocolates. At this stage, fillings can be added in between layers of chocolate. Finally, when the chocolates are finished, they are left to set in trays, ready to be packaged, sold, and eaten.